Imagine eating an entire airplane. Michel Lotito, a French performer, did just that. Not a toy airplane, a real Cessna 150. Over 2 years, from 1978 to 1980, he broke it down into tiny pieces and ate it bolt by bolt. Michel had a condition called pica, which made him crave eating non-food objects like glass, metal, and rubber. Doctors were baffled. His stomach lining was twice as thick as normal, allowing him to digest metal like it was cereal. Besides the airplane, Michel consumed shopping carts, TVs, bicycles, and once, a coffin. He died in 2007, but not from metal poisoning. He passed away from natural causes. Michel Lotito's story is a bizarre testament to the extremes of human capability.